Hello friends, welcome to our Radical Tech Art videos. Today we are going to discuss about digital pressure gauge. So please watch the video till the end. You can see one model of digital pressure gauge with me. In this video, I will show you further how it works. You can see all the range and technical details on this model. So first of all, let's look at technical specifications of digital pressure gauge. You can see the technical details. Here it is. Measurement range -1 to 0 bar up to 0 to 1000 bar. All ranges available with this model. Measuring principle high precision piezoresistive. Accuracy 0.5% of reading. Operating temperature 70 degrees centigrade maximum. MOC process connection SS316. Housing SS304. Diaphragm ceramic or silicon. Power supply battery operated. Connection G1/4 thread. You can see technical details for this model. Range is 0 to 40 bar. Supply voltage 9 volt DC. Thread G1/4. Accuracy 0.5% full scale. Temperature 20 to 70 degrees centigrade. Now analyzing further for main features of digital pressure gauge. So it is battery operated, 10 kind of pressure unit, white backlight, graphical view of peak value, auto power off, effectively extended battery life. So these all are main features included in this model. Now the applications of digital pressure gauge are for calibration purpose, HVAC, factory automation, testing equipment. These all are the applications for digital pressure gauge where it can be used. Now we will talk about how it operates. You can see the on off button as well as zero button. On off button will use for power on and off as well as various unit selection. So we will check this. So now I start this digital pressure gauge by pressing on and off key. So you can see the white backlight which will be provided with this instrument. Now hold this button for some seconds to change this unit. You can see here it is bar. Now I change this unit. It's kPa. Now kg by centimeter. This I press again for power off. You can change the units by pressing hold. MPa, PSI, then again bar. So you can change various units. Here the use of zero key. If you want to reset your any value of pressure range, so you can press zero key to reset your value. So if you want to utilize these things, you can watch this video, and if you require any type of this product, you can contact us by email or this contact number. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.